Hey everybody, Adam Savage, and I'm in Fonco in LA. How are you, my friend?
Wonderful.
So good to see you. You have been making some puppets.
Yes.
Okay, tell me what's going on
Okay,
here.
so a friend of mine, Robin Phillips, has this show. It's a parody of the entertainment industry, kind of like the studio, but with puppets, right?
Nice.
And he needed a couple puppets. It's a pilot idea, so
Right.
he's kind of on a budget. So we found a very kind of streamlined way to make puppets.
Okay.
That we've created here.
Now I'm looking at a foam head.
Yep.
And normally that would start with a sculpt.
Exactly.
Then you do a fiberglass mold over that. You'd cast foam in that, which is its own set of nightmares. Tell me what's different about this. What's the streamline here?
So because these days we show clients 3D models of characters that we do, we still started with sketches.
Yeah.
And then we moved into a 3D model so you could show them dimensionally what a character is going to look like.
Like
So
you
we
actually
already
physically
have,
see it.
Exactly.
Right.
So we already have 3D of the puppet.
Right.
So instead of sculpting and doing all those steps, we eliminated all those steps. We go straight to making a mold. So what we did is we use the 3D model to create
the mold is 3D
a mold
printed.
of the puppet.
Dude.
So we just go straight to mold, right? This gets covered in felt, so it doesn't have to be perfect.
So you don't have to worry about those build lines at all being translated
Yeah.
into the actual thing because the felt will hide that crime.
Exactly. And even better,
Whoa!
so we did a 3D scan of Michael Corey's hand.
Because he has big hands?
Like imagining what it would be to hold the puppet. He had the biggest hands, and we want to make sure it could handle the biggest-handed puppeteer. So
we should
he
have
did
started
these,
like this, going, Fon, I don't know how good these puppets you're making are. I'm just gonna go out on a limb.
Get some googly eyes. It'll be great.
Exactly.
So basically, these sit inside the mold.
So you're able to draw the hole patterns so that this registers inside.
Yep, it registers. This one's for that.
Gotcha.
So this is the hand shape for the hamster, which is it's Hick and Doof are the characters. So you can it keeps the negative space for the puppeteer's hand.
And
the same with
allows
Doof. You could see more clearly on this one because it's a two-part half side-to-side mold. You could see that's the hand.
Oh, look at that! Great.
That's the negative space where the hand will exist in the puppet.
This would be such a pain in the ass, and is in every other permutation of this kind of construction.
Yeah, it streamlines a lot of the workflow. So usually, also once you've made a puppet, say you make the whole thing out of foam without a mold, you still have to figure out the mechanics of how the hand is going to puppeteer.
Right.
So this just eliminates so many different steps in the process and allows us to do really, really kind of intricate shapes very easily.
I would never have guessed, and I love how you're using the technology to do the end run around the most boring parts about translating shapes like this.
Well, and most clients want to see the 3D now. It's just expected because everyone is utilizing computers for design. So we still do the sketches, but they want to see what it looks like in 3 dimensions, and this is just it's a natural workflow. And then the clothing, this is a trick that. When we're on a budget, we buy baby clothes.
Perfect. You buy baby clothes.
This is 0 to 3 months, and then Doof is a little bigger, so he's got I think this is like I think 3 to 6 months.
Oh wow! I love babies in suits. That's just making me so happy. The idea of babies in suits.
And then we 3D print the eyes, and the nose for that one.
Yeah.
We did hand make the teeth.
Fair.
Custom teeth. And then, we were able to buy a hat and make the characters.
And this, you were able to turn this around, and it looks like even less than a week if you were in a crunch.
It was less than a week.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Yeah. I mean, we have our team of artists that facilitate all that.
One of the things I love when these videos go up is the comments will be full of people sharing their versions of these executions. Like, awesome. I worked for a theater in Atlanta and we did a blah, blah, blah. And then there'll be other, I get a lot of inspiration and information going through the comments when these videos.
Oh, that's fantastic. I'll have to check that out for sure.
Yeah. Dude, I love the Streamlined. It's just amazing. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks for coming.
These are cool.
I can't wait to see them on the show.
Oh, yeah.
Hick and Doof. It'll be on YouTube.
Oh, there we go. We'll include links in the description.
Yeah, we'll get those over.
Thanks, you guys, for joining us. Thank you so much for watching that video. If while watching any of my videos you like any of the t-shirts that you see me wearing, well, you can go buy them. And there's 2 places you can get them. First, you can go to tested-store.com, a web address that my crew laughs is one of the hardest things for me to remember in my whole brain. But now they've given me a second URL. You can now go to adamsavage.com and buy any of the t-shirts you see me wearing on this channel. And there's a whole bunch of other stuff there too. Thanks.